You're watching DIYNate. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted to my weekly content. For this DIYNate video, I'm going to show you a pretty interesting hack that I used to stabilize my cooler that had 2 legs that broke off of it, or 1.5 anyway. This is going to get me a little bit more mileage out of my cooler for the next maybe year, maybe 2 years. It looks a little trashy, I'm going to be honest, so enjoy it. Feel free to comment, tell me if you think I'm just the cheapest guy in the world, or if you love this hack and you're going to use it yourself on the next time your cooler legs fall off. Hope you enjoy it for entertainment value, if nothing else. Here's a quick before shot where you can see the broken leg, and then the other leg is also cracked on the front side, so I've got to take that front section off and replace that whole area right there. So, like we said, my wife has actually already packed the cooler, so probably advisable not to try and work on it. So we have some rivets that are down here that are kind of our problem because there's not I don't think there's an entry point, and I don't have a great solution for getting these rivets off.
I think that we should put it in there.
I think it is. So we might have to try and come up with a hack on how to get those rivets off. Sometimes I think if you use some kind of pliers, you might be able to compress the rivets.
I don't have one.
You don't, huh?
I gave them to me.
You gave them to me?
They're old.
Sure, but that's going to be a pain to get that off of there. So I'm not exactly sure if we're going to be able to make this work today. Let's see here. Let's see if we're going to be able to get those off. I just don't see how. Oh, you know what? We might just leave those in place. Clip off the back. Both of these spikes are broken, so they're not doing a whole lot of good. So I'm going to tear this guy off. And get rid of that. I'm going to tear this one off here and get rid of that. It's just the. Alright, making some cuts here. Just doing a very light measurement. Some nice 4 minutes toolbox. Over here. Hey, cool, you gotta back up, buddy. Yeah, he's gonna use his circular saw. It says here, steer clear, slide back. Can't get loud, okay? Okay, so now we got a kind of fabricated little washer here. And so all I'm going to do is take a drill and hopefully pop this through very simply.
I have a washer?
Well, yes.
A golden one.
That's a golden washer. Yeah, we're going to see if I can get through this pretty easily. Hopefully I can. Screw, put that on it. Alright, so for this cooler fix, we're going to put a little hole with a drill right up here on the Velcro. That's enough room to work. Put another second hole. Get a starter spot. And we're just going to shoot it right through here. Base on it. Hold it really tight. Let's see if I can get a better angle on this one. There we go. Pop this one in. Now, we have a wood base on the bottom of our cooler. Alright, so now a little bit of work there. Our cooler should be a little more capable of resting on itself without completely falling over. Not perfect by any stretch, but it definitely looks like a handyman did something with that. You know, we'll get another season or 2 out of this cooler. Thanks for watching.